No, I'm not Gucci enough to stay in there. Welcome to part 2. Golden Week. Yeah, raining, but it is what it is. Anyways, we're going into the Grand Front Osaka, different mall, check out some different stuff. Oh yeah, totally not Gucci enough to stay at the Intercon, but it is what it is. So where are we going?
Well, it's the Osaka Station building. There's 4 buildings, 1 to 4, and God, that building's been there forever, as I can remember.
Don't bring your crossbows.
Well, I guess it's building 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all connected to the Osaka Station.
Interesting.
But it's on the basement, it's all restaurants.
So we're gonna go hang out, for lack of a better term, at the train station?
Yeah, in front of the train station, there's the office building.
God, I love this country.
The current senbero, pay 1,000 yen, you get it gone.
So to give you some context what this place is, so there's office buildings upstairs and it's all connected to the train station, the Osaka station. And this place is super duper local. It's like, you know, it's got all the restaurants, it's got like bars, izakaya places, like standing only. It's a super legit place. You may think, wow, why are all these places closed? Well, they're closed because they're not open yet, because it's currently 3 o'clock. And trust me, there's some people in there having a good time already. And like, my goodness, I love this place. I can't say it enough.
So like back in the 80s, 70s, 80s, this whole place, you could actually still smoke. There's a lot of bars, a lot of izakaya, a lot of mahjong parlor too. So like I couldn't see through this whole, the other side, because of the smoke.
Building 2. $199 all day. Building 3. Cool, this is awesome. I'm not gonna lie, now that they've introduced me to this place, I know where this is now. So any of y'all want to come visit, or when you guys decide to come visit, then I guess to some extent you too can be a local. It's not 3:30 yet, but it's happy hour time. That was a rainy, cold, windy episode 2. Big thanks to my friend Masaki for taking me to these really cool places. I mean, every time I've come back and had an opportunity to spend time with him, the first thing we usually talk about on the first day of getting here is, man, wouldn't it be great if we did this on the next trip? And mind you, that's the first thing we talk about. And to be able to go to some of these very special, very local places, I feel so part of it here. And I really enjoy the vibe of that underground complex attached to, the Osaka station buildings, 1, 2, 3, 4. It was such a great opportunity to be able to just be there amongst the people. I really enjoyed it, and of course, hey, why let the big time stop, right? It's been a day. It's been one heck of a day, and I know the last time I said keep on using, it's been a whirlwind. Today, I actually have an adjective. It's been a localizing day, a day where I felt like I'm part of this thing, this vibe, this city, this organism, Osaka. Isn't it great? It's good to be part of something. So, episode 3. No promises yet if it's going to be a Golden Week Part 3, but, well, I keep on calling it episode 3. It's going to be like episode 9 or something like that. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out. I've had a few of these already, so I'm going to go probably grab something to eat and take a nice long hot shower. Have a good one.